I'm just going to do a quick video on how to pack your straps away. This is something that I learnt recently and found it really useful. So it just keeps them all nice and tight. So effectively, with the end of the strap, just rolling it onto itself, and we just keep doing that. We will fast forward through this when it gets cut. So round and around. And when we get towards the end, all we do to lock it in place, we just do a bit of a loop. So crisscross, so crisscross over and through, over through the middle, and we just lock it off. So you can do that again, or even just tie it off. So that's nice and tight. It's not going to go anywhere. And that way, when you need to reuse it, it's nicely packaged and ready to go.